Welcome in to another woolly review, and we have Upgrade Seven Brothers, or Novita 7. I don't know what 7 is in finished. Veljestä 100-gram ball of Aran weight. 100 grams has the 200 meters or 218 yards roughly. 75% wool, and I can feel the wool. 25% polyamide, so it's a little bit like last week's review. It's got the same composition. It does feel slightly softer than last week's is it sport weight? I think it was a sport weight last week. But this is Aran. This is the colour 563. Now that is kind of a not Victoria. No. I'm gonna say between maroon and purple with a hint of pink. Yeah, I said it. I know. Now the bad thing with this is I can't find how many colours they do. The cheapest place that I found this was at Woolbox for £5.95. But anyway, let's get on and do a review for it. Now this is a prize win, so it'll only be a half swatch, but it recommends a hook size of 5, and so here goes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Do 1 row of single crochets, and please people, don't judge the crocheter. Don't judge the crocheter, we're here to review the yarn. Oops. So £5.95, which I think when it's not on sale is the same as the sport weight was last week, I believe. So they cost exactly the same, but of course the sport weight has a little bit more on it. I am definitely feeling the wool with this. Definitely feeling the wool. Okay, let's do... Oh, it's very, very woolly. Let's do a row of half doubles. Now I would say this isn't the sort of wool that you'd be able to get away with if you've got a little bit of a sensitivity to wool. I would steer clear. It's not overly scratchy, but it definitely feels a little bit rough. Thankfully not as rough as that sport weight was, but it's still most definitely evident. It is wool. The polyamide just isn't making it any softer, I don't think. It's like knitting it straight off of the back of a sheep. Well, maybe not knitting it, but crocheting it. You know what I mean. Well, sometimes. Go in. And 1 and 2. And we'll do 1 more row, which will be a double crochet. It's gliding nicely on the hook. It's not splitting, it's not catching. When it comes to anything that's fairly woolly, I kind of expect it to catch a lot. No, this seems perfectly fine. But yes, I'm feeling it in the fingers. I feel it in my fingers. I don't feel it in my toes though, because you know, that would be weird. But let's take a look at this. All the details for it that I don't give in the video are down below in the description, above the link to my Etsy shop. Hint, hint, wink, wink. Oops, there we go. Okay. Nice stitch definition for an Aran and for a wool. It's pretty good. Very woolly though, very woolly. But not bad on the skin. Not bad on the skin at all. Working with it, yeah, you really feel it. But like this, have no issues here. No issues. But this could be a problem. Let's go walk the frog. Wow. Wow. Walk the frog. Oh, 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 oh. It caught. Let's hop on a moped. Ta-da! Kinkage isn't too bad. That's not too bad at all. I was expecting a little bit more kinkage than that. Let's wrap her up, get her dressed so that she can be sent to her new owner all nicely presented. So, Veljestä, what are we going to give you? What are we going to give you? Would I turn my back on it completely? No. Would I be, is that the only thing you've got? If I was absolutely desperate for a wool blend? No. Would it be in my top 10? Yeah, maybe. I'm kind of annoyed that I don't know how many colours they've got of this. It is slightly pricey, but for an Aran weight with that much meterage on it, it's just above average, and for wool, yeah, I'll go with it. So I'm not going to give it 5, but I think a 4 out of 5 is pretty good. Yes, it's scratchy, works up nice though. It frogs fairly easily. Okay, we only had the one little hiccup. But there's a nice bit of meterage on there. It feels very nice when it's worked up. So, 4 ladybirds out of 5. That's my review. Heck, you might have your own opinion. We're all allowed them. But let me know down below in the comments if you've tried this, if you would try it, or if you're, no, if I look at wool, I'll come out in hives. You never know. Anyway, until